to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing cheesy spring vegetable gnocchi bake. It sounds like a mouthful. It is so easy to do, and it's great for any weeknight. Right, fry pan, a little bit of olive oil. That can go straight in. Get that up with a bit of heat. All right, and once we've got the oil heated up, I've got one red onion which I've cut into quarters, and I'm just going to add that straight in, just like that. Alright, I'm going to cook that off for maybe 3 or 4 minutes, something like that. I'm going to add in about 300 grams of little button mushrooms which I've quartered. They can go straight in, and they're going to take a little bit of time to start cooking up, and they're going to absorb some of that oil. One large zucchini which I've cut into nice little chunks, that can go straight in, and we might as well put that in there and get that cooking at the same time. Right, just like that. And if you haven't tried doing a vegetable bake like this before, you don't know what you're missing. I'm going to start putting some seasoning in. I'm just going to add in some black pepper, freshly ground of course. Right, that can go straight in. I'm going to leave my salt for a little bit later on. Things are starting to wilt down. Here I've got around about a 2 to 250 gram punnet of little cherry tomatoes, which I've just cut in half. They can go straight in as well. We don't want to cook these off too much. Just want to give them a bit of colour, give them a bit of a blister. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of salt. I'm using some sea salt flake there. Just add in as much or little as you think you need, right? And just a little bit more freshly ground black pepper, just like that. As you can see, those mushrooms have soaked up a bit of that juice and a little bit of that liquid, so we'll need to take care of that in a little bit. Here I've got 2 cloves of garlic, which I've just put through my garlic press. I'm going to add that straight in. I'm using fresh garlic on this particular dish. I want that extra flavour. A little bit more olive oil because these mushrooms have taken up everything else. We're starting to get some little juices happening. Some of the juices of the tomatoes are coming out, and we're going to remove that and put that aside. Mrs. KP has already got the gnocchi into some boiling water. We've just transferred that from one side of the kitchen to the other. We're going to bring that back up to the boil. It's not going to take very long at all. And once they boil, they're going to start floating to the top. And once they do that, we're going to be about halfway there. Now, this is store-bought gnocchi. Normally, I do make it myself. And you can go back on my channel and look at all sorts of different gnocchi recipes that I have made. It's really easy to make, but look, this is a weeknight. We're going to make it quick and easy. Once they come to the top and they start floating, let them sit for about 30-40 seconds or so, and they are done. Using a little strainer or a slotted spoon, we're going to take those straight out of the water and put that straight into an oven dish, right? Just like that. Really nice and simple. And this dish is going to take you around about 20 minutes in total to make, and it tasted that good that Mrs. KP and I absolutely polished the whole meal off that night. I'm not a real big eater these days, but I tell you what, this was just so good I could not stop myself. Right, we're going to put all those vegetables and all of that any remaining oil and juices straight into a oven dish. Right, give it a little bit of a toss around, a little bit of a light stir, and Mrs. KP is going to add in around about 200 to 250 grams worth of baby bocconcini that I've just cut in half. Right, just sprinkle those all over the top, just like that. I've got the oven sitting at around about 190 degrees, and we're going to put this in for not very long at all. We're going to add some fresh basil leaves straight over the top, just like that. And it's going to add a real burst of fresh flavour. Okay, we're going to put that in the oven around about 10 minutes or so, 190 to 200 degrees, or you can put it under the salamander if you want. And once that cheese is melted and it's looking something like that, that is it. It's ready to serve. Well, obviously, try and make this one at home. It's great. It's really simple and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something real quick, easy, and pretty budget, for a weeknight, just like this one. We need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my cheesy spring vegetable gnocchi bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye.